Okay, you can talk. Rock-a-bye Sammy on the treetop. This is Sammy's school. He seems to like it just fine. Sammy's mom. And then let me get a picture of Sammy's school. That must be the, is that, can you go in through that door right there? That's an emergency door. These people got signs that say they sleep on their back. See, like Benjamin's not here, but that's what it says. Sammy's bed is over here.
But your bottle will take like forever to heat up. Forever in the day. She's getting ready to need to drink cold milk anyway.
Okay. You gonna get him picked up? That little girl over there is being really good. She likes to turn over. Did he wake up? Let me see the little thing, the little boy. Hey boy.
I don't think so, but she doesn't take long.
Hey boy.
She takes like 2 minutes to eat.